Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing Hostinger coupon code video. In this video, I will be revealing two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get amazing discount plus a special discounting through which you can save a lot of money when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. So the procedure is very quick and easy and anyone can do it. So it's all start from clicking on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing deal running right now by Hostinger. Don't worry, I will also reveal two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get additional discounts. So you have to watch with me the step-by-step procedure. So once you click on the link in the description for Hostinger, you are being guided over here. We can see an exclusive special deal running right now. If you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger has a 30 days money back guarantee. This is a flat money back guarantee on any plan you are going to choose. And if you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger is being recommended by WordPress.org, Trustpilot, Google, hosted by WWW. All of them say that Hostinger is an amazing hosting company, and this was one of the reasons I opted for Hostinger hosting, and this is why I want you guys to see it on. And the best thing is even you can look around on Trustpilot reviews, and you may be surprised to see that the majority of the reviews may be praising about them. That I have a problem, but they sorted out. Hostinger is a total win. So you can see that majority of the people claim that Hostinger is an amazing. And if you scroll below, these are the three most popular plan. Again, you can see that the 30 days money back guarantee is a risk-free, no questions asked guarantee, and it is included with all of the plans. And if you scroll back, you can see that Hostinger has fast, secure, and reliable servers. You can create websites in seconds through the powerful Hostinger AI builder. AI is an artificial intelligence builder. You just have to give the command. It's going to create your website automatically. Plus, you are getting free domains with all of the annual plans, which is just amazing with Hostinger. And in case if you are coming from another hosting company to Hostinger, they have a dedicated website migration service and a tool through which you can easily shift your website, where be it a single website or 100 website, they are going to help you in all, and that too free of cost. Plus the control panel is super easy, super friendly. Anyone can operate, even a beginner or a newbie can use it. And the speed, reliability, efficiency is a part, and security features are just mind blowing. You're getting so many security features. Especially what I like is a Cloudflare protected malware protection. And right now, 3 million plus people are using Hostinger as a primary hosting company. And if you want to join the family, scroll above and choose any plan. I highly recommend you guys to do a thorough research by simply selecting the see all features and do a research. After this, simply select the choose plan with any plan you are going to opt at Hostinger. Once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to another page, and on that page you are going to see the summary. You can see over here that this is a special exclusive deal valid for my audience. Make sure to click on the link in the description. After this, select your billing period. Hostinger offer 4 billing periods. I recommend you to offer 48 months so you can save the maximum amount of money. After this, simply select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Once you write it, simply select the apply, and you're gonna see that your price is going to get a further discount on already running discount deal. Now there is another coupon code as well which you can use, and it is with the name of HI10. You can also find this one in the description of this video. Once you select the apply, you're going to see that your price got a further discount. After this, simply select the continue by using any of the coupon code at Hostinger. Once you select the continue, you will be redirected over here. You have to log in into your account. I'm going to simply log in over here. So after being logging into my account, you are being over here at the final place. You can see your order summary. You have to write your billing details. You can see that my coupon is already applied. I'm getting a lot of discount. After write your billing details, move on to the payment method. And here, what I like to appraise Hostinger is that they offer so many hosting like payment method options. You can choose any as per your convenience. So once you select, let's say, a credit card, simply select the credit card, write your billing details, and simply select the submit button. That's how easily you can buy your hosting from Hostinger. And I've been using Hostinger from the last 4 years now, and my experience so far is very good. And I highly recommend you guys to make sure to click on the link in the description and use as of the coupon code to get this amazing Hostinger coupon code deal. So good luck.